Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in with an administrator account. Drivers need elevated rights. Once done, press Windows plus I to open Settings, because that centralizes update controls. Next, click Windows Update and hit Check for updates to install any pending system updates. This avoids conflicts when updating drivers. Make sure to restart if prompted, since driver installs often require a reboot before Device Manager changes proceed safely. Now, open Device Manager by typing its name and Start, because this gives direct control over each driver. You'll find the device category, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. This presents two options. If you pick Search automatically, Windows Query is online and installed driver stores. If you chose Browse My Computer, point to a downloaded driver, useful for vendor-provided files. Remember, expand system devices for chipset drivers, and check unknown devices for missing drivers. To finish, restart the PC to activate new drivers, then confirm in Device Manager that the device shows no warning icons. If the driver came from Windows Update, check optional updates for additional OEM drivers and install them as needed. If something breaks, open the device's properties and use Rollback Driver to revert. Otherwise, download the manufacturer's signed driver and install it manually. As a key troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.